I got split.
Stay on the ground. You think you can hit a woman, eh? Think you can hit a woman?
I'm a woman. I got split, man.
Hey, gloves to go.
Sorry, brother. Can you stop this bleeding, bro? Can you stop this bleeding, bro?
Give me that hand.
Hey, can you stop this bleeding, bro? Can you stop this bleeding, bro?
Fucking spit it all over me. Give me that hand.
Can you stop this
Oh,
bleeding,
who's
bro?
got gloves on?
Can you stop this bleeding? Can I stop this bleeding, bro?
Stay back.
Can I stop this bleeding,
Get it
bro?
on your head.
Sorry, bro. I'm gonna hit the woman.
You got him on gloves?
What, you need gloves?
I got gloves.
Hey, brother. Can I stop this bleeding, bro?
Hold it against your head.
Just look at it.
I
Yeah,
got
right.
split, bro. I got split, bro. I'm not here. I'm just talking to her, bro.
You just talk. Is that how you talk to a woman, eh?
That's my partner,
Head
bro.
to a woman, eh?
Tried to headbutt him.
Say, really, that's my partner.
Wait, chuck us some keys.
Right.
I'm going to grab his rail and I'll put his rail on.
Hey, brother.
Next door to me.
Brother, can I get...
Right next door to me. Please.
Can I-
I live right next door to a constable.
Really,
Mrs.
man, I just got
Dad, I
split,
didn't know
bro.
they
Stop
seen
yelling.
it.
Really, I just got fucking
Stop
killed,
yelling.
man.
I know, Dad. I seen it.
I just got hit,
I
man.
know, Dad. I seen it.
I just got hit from this
I
shot,
know,
man.
Dad. I seen it.
Mrs., it's time to walk away.
Oi, I
Chill,
live right
good.
next door to
Really,
constable.
I just got hit.
I live right next door to constable.
Only she can talk but
I just got
quietly.
hit.
I live right next door to
Honest, this is
constable.
my partner, and I never even
Please.
touched her, man.
I'm Ruby.
Ruby, I just got hit,
Dad,
man.
I seen
Ruby,
it,
talk to
Dad.
my
I
I
seen it.
just fucking got hit, man.
Come over here and I'll take your details.
But you're like...
I never even hit him. I never even hit him. I don't fucking hit him. I don't fucking hit him. I'm bleeding, man. I got split, man. I got split, brother. I'm getting wet, bro. Can you stop my fucking bleeding or what, bro?
Arrest down at opposite Bojangles on the lawn.
Brother, hey, brother. Can you stop my bleeding, bro? Nah, he just fucking split me. Split my heart, man.
Hey, sorry, what was
Settle
that?
down.
He just fucking hit me, man.
Settle down, turn that way
He
and
did.
keep
He
your shirt on
fucking
your head.
hit me, man.
Keep your shirt on your head.
Nah, he hit me.
Sweet, thanks.
I never even touched no fucking missus.
Yeah.
That's my partner.
Hey, bro. Wait, bro, listen up. I'm going to put a bandage on your eye here, okay?
Right, so I just got
Just
split,
look that
bruh.
way. Just look
Look
that
this
From
way.
way.
him.
That's it.
Oh, I just got split, bruh.
Yeah, I'm going to fix it up for you, mate.
Honest, I just got split. Look, I just got fucking swat there. For no reason, man.
Don't fucking headbutt women, mate.
Yeah, mate.
I never hit you. Ruby, come here.
Stop yelling.
I
Stop
never
spitting.
fucking hit about my missus.
You ready?
That's my partner there.
I'm going to fix this up for you, okay?
That's my partner. I live next to
Wait,
you.
you got to sit still. Ready? I'm going to do this for
Sorry,
you.
bruh.
You're all right, mate.
Can you just stop it, bruh?
Yeah,
Because
this is going to stop it.
can you just stop it, bruh?
Yeah, that's what I'm about to do, mate.
Honest.
I just want you to calm down for a second and then
Nah,
I'll stop
that's my partner, honest to God.
so you can just
I
headbutt
never
your
even
partner,
hit brother. Honest.
it. You're all right, mate. Here, put your head back. So
I'm telling you the truth. I never hit brother. But
Alright.
this black just...
Oi,
clean me
keep
up.
your head straight. There's going to be a bit of pressure, do you understand?
He's got a
Clean me up,
laceration.
Yeah, I'm cleaning up
above his
right now.
eye.
Nah, this black, he just wiped me out. He just gave me a big elbow in the face.
Right, I'm
This
fixing
black
you up.
here trying to fix me up.
Who, me?
Nah, this black here. He elbowed me in the face. I never even hit my missus. Brother, I never even hit my missus,
All right,
brother.
mate. All right.
Honest to God. I'm telling you the truth, brother. You split me for fuck all, brother.
What's your name?
Albert Bailey.
Albert Bailey. Albert Bailey, what's your date of birth?
January 31st. I got nothing.
What year?
No rules.
What year are you born? He's got a DVO.
How come I'm giving
non-intox
you...
DVO with her.
Non-intox
Why, then
DVO.
You split me, but
Intoxicated.
you just hit me. Really,
Right.
he hit me.
Ag
eh?
assault, breach DVO.
No, I come and tell the truth, Mom. Ruby, come tell the truth. They fucking hit me, man.
I'm trying to explain something.
They just hit me. This black hit me. Look in the face.
Albert,
If not, she'll be linked to
Did
Ruby.
I hit you? Did I headbutt you?
You never headbutted me.
Ruby, what's your
what's
last
this
name?
like?
what's Albert's last name?
He just split me in the
Williams.
face.
He's
Albert,
Williams.
Albert Williams?
Yo.
Yo.
He just hit me in the face. Look.
Yeah, Dad.
Did I headbutt
You
you?
gotta
use
Tell
the
him.
blue
Tell
gloves.
him.
He did not headbutt
Tell
me.
this black.
Oh, good.
Hey.
He fucking
He did
fucks
not-
me up, man.
What's Albert's birthday? Oh, that's all right.
Sorry?
He should be red. He's got a DVO. Ruby, what's your name?
31st of the first.
They've given me a different
Ruby.
name. Albert, what's your last name?
He's Williams. His name's Albert
It's not what you
Williams.
said a second ago.
Albert Williams.
He's a Williams. Why aren't you listening to me? We've got a 2-year-old son and a 9-year-old
My
daughter.
partner. I never
Yeah, who's
hit-
looking after them
Hey,
right now?
Brother, I'm telling you the truth. I never
He
headbutt
never-
her.
He never
Honest to
headbutted
God.
me.
Yeah?
Honest, do you
I
see your
never-
blood? Can you just like take note of
Albert,
it,
you
please?
do not need to speak to us. Anything you say may be used as
Albert,
evidence against you. You
Albert.
don't need to answer any of my questions or any other police officer's questions. Do you understand? You're under arrest for breaching your domestic violence order.
What domestic violence? Oh yeah, we do have.
Oh yeah, that one.
Dad.
Sorry, but
No, Dad, that's
What's
alright.
Albert's birthday? What's his birthday?
31st of the 1st, 89.
I never think
Can't
that,
find
brother.
it.
I'm
31st
telling
of
you.
Dad,
the
that's
first
why,
name.
you know.
Remember, his name will be,
Then the
it
Gula.
might be different,
I remember.
but it'll be red. If it's Albert Williams,
Williams
so
is
look at the
Gula.
birthday.
It's not, there's no idea.
Ruby,
So
what's your name?
Ferber, Ruby Ferber.
Ruby Ferber.
I never, but your mom.
You didn't headbutt me. You just pointed at me.
Copy. If they, yeah, we'll flag them down. Thank you.
1989.
Got it?
Where did you get things at?
Ruby Hart.
They split me, man.
Where? Where did you move?
Mom, they split me.
Yeah, it's alright because I'm going to get Uncle Chrissy to come in town and we're just going to sort this shit out because that was not acceptable.
I can't find anything.
That's what I tell you.
You got ID on you?
Inside out.
Albert.
No.
Ruby, you got yours?
Albert, you got your ID?
It was in my car. My car's gone.
Have you got ID, Ruby?
In my car and it's gone.
Hey, Albert, do you go by any other names?
Williams. He's Williams.
We need his other name. Or Ruby, do you go by Ruby Hart?
No.
No.
You just told me your name was Ruby Hart.
Yeah, I do go by Ruby Hart, yeah. Ruby
I don't
Ferber,
think they
but
have a
my
DVO.
name is Ruby Ferber.
I don't
Sorry.
think they have a...
Yeah, sorry,
They
it is
do now.
Ruby Hart.
Yeah. We'll go lock him up for 41 then.
I'm going to talk to you.
What
What you gonna do with him? So you gonna call the ambulance or what?
Ambulance is coming.
He's like, take him to the ambulance first.
No, we'll take him to the hospital first. After
Yeah,
what
301's
you've
off
done
with
to
us, same
him,
job.
it's not.
I got split.
Stay on the ground. You think you can hit a woman, eh? Think you can hit a woman?
A woman. I got